Good morning. Have you smiled today? Have you smiled today? It's the morning. People be going all day without smiling. Smile, laugh. It's good for you. It's good for you. Smile. You know, think of reasons to smile. Give somebody else to make somebody else smile. You make somebody else smile, and then you smile. Everybody smiles. Let's pass it on. That's just the daily motivation. Have you smile today? That's it. Have you smile today? Then when it comes tomorrow, I'm gonna ask you again, have you smile today? But then we're gonna give you some advice and some daily motivation. So first things first, we gotta smile first. First, we gotta get you to smiling. So smile first, then we'll see you tomorrow. So as y'all know, first things first, have y'all smile today. As y'all see, make sure y'all smile and everything. We took the hat off, sun lighting up. But we're gonna be looking at this 2013 Dodge Dart. I already test drove it and everything. I bought it from ACB, as y'all can see, for $2,300. 2013, has 118,000 miles on it. I'm gonna put it on the Toro platform. I've been just looking for cars and stuff to get on the Toro platform. So this is going to be the first one that I take a chance and take a crack at it and see what it does. It's an inexpensive car. It meets the guidelines because the guidelines it has to be no older than 12 years and has to have under 130,000 miles. So just need a little bit of work, take maybe Wilson maybe charge me 150 bucks, just to knock out all these blemishes and stuff like that. Cause I want to just make sure all these little blemishes and stuff, like any little blemish, even though I don't think that's gonna be that big of a deal, but if we can just knock out a lot of these blemishes, like this, if we can just knock out a lot of these little blemishes and stuff and then get it detailed. And it does need one sensor. The tires are in good shape. As you can see, the tires are really new. It does need a complete detail, but we're gonna do that. It does have a check engine light on. We're gonna get that taken care of. That ain't nothing. Just an O2 sensor. Just the O2 sensor, but this one does have the navigation and everything. The nav. Got the nav. Also got the backup camera, Got the Bluetooth. Probably get that little thing. Go to the salvage yard and grab this little piece. Grab these little pieces that's needed at the salvage yard. Like I said, gonna put a good detail on there. It's a little four banger. Be my first little test run. As y'all can see, 118,000 miles. Probably get some motor mounts to it too. Just go buy all the mounts. You can get them off. You can get all the mounts on Amazon for cheap, because it does have a little bit of vibration. So one of the mounts are probably done ran its course. One of the mounts is probably just. But yeah, I'm gonna take it to Wilson first. First, I'm gonna just spray it off. Just I'm first take it to the. I ain't gonna do no full detail or nothing. Just take it to the car wash and just knock all this excess dirt off there. Just wash all this excess dirt, so that I can just see how much Wilson's gonna charge. But first, I'm gonna go take it to a mechanic shop. It's just dirt. Okay, that's just dirt. I thought it was any blemishes or anything. They seat covers, we'll just throw these seat covers away. I'll just throw these seat covers away, buy my own, Put a full clean detail on there. Fill it up full of gas. Give me another key made, cause gotta get another key made. So tires are good, but like I said, I'm gonna take it to the shop. I'm gonna get the oil changed, all the fluids topped off. Probably get one of the motor mounts, because like I said, it's got a little vibration. It might just be because I know I had another dart, and I know a lot of times the four cylinders, they do have some slight vibration in them at idle, like a little slight vibration, like all four cylinders. But it's only like you don't feel it in the car, but you can see it. So I'll probably just do that. Like I said, order all the mounts off of Amazon. Get the O2 sensors too. Take it to the shop. Have them oil change. Check out the fluids. Have them put it up on the rack. Make sure there's no suspension make sure if there's anything that I need to order on suspension, leave it there. So I can order that off of Amazon. Get it all in. Get all those parts in. Get it checked up. Then I know you can't. I gotta call Dodge, give them the VIN number, make sure it has no recalls, because you can't put it on. You won't be able to listen on the Toro's platform if it has any recalls. So we're gonna do that. So we got 23. I'm gonna just say, estimate 500. It's not really. I'm not gonna say like 500, but give or take $500. As long as it's where I have like $3,000 in there, like I don't mind having $3,000 in the car, because it's got navigation, backup camera, so I know I can sell it for $6,000. I can sell it outright for $6,000. But we're gonna try this other venture. We're gonna try this, get this a shot, because hey, I'm a car dealer. I got access to cars. I know a lot of people on the Toro platform and stuff. They're going to buy cars and finance cars, and they have a hard time buying a car, because if you're not a dealer, you're not gonna have access to all the cars. But I have access to all these cars, and I can check the history, make sure it's not been an accident. When they have to do it, I know it's harder when you have to do it yourself, because now you gotta check the history, you gotta negotiate with a customer, or you gotta go to the auction and find it. At least I can go to the auction and check them out and get a good stuff. And I have access to a lot of people like Wilson. I have access to a body man like Wilson and other body men, and have access to mechanics where I can get a better price, where a lot of people might have to do a lot of stuff on their own. But we're gonna give it one shot. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna try it out with this car. Then if I run across any other cars, I'll put it up on the platform. First, we're gonna get this one to test run. Get this one about 2 weeks to a month. See what it does. And I'll give it 2 weeks. If it's doing anything within 2 weeks, then I'll go snatch up another car. But I always got to search for other cars. But right now, we're gonna focus on selling. We got other cars to sell, so that's why I feel like since I'm a car dealer, it's gonna work out good for me. But this is the next business venture. It's gonna put this car up there on Toro. If it's making, let's say, if it just makes, I'm gonna just say $700. Let's say $700 a month. That's fine with me. $700 a month. That's fine. But then if I can get 10 cars like this one, have 10 cars on the platform at $700 a month, y'all see where we're going. Then that 10 cars turns to 20. Then all the space to store it. I can literally store all my cars on, if it works out like I wanted to, I can store 20 cars just on this side, or that one of either one of these sides. Probably either one of the sides. I have a lot that's really set up for something like that. But then I would just, once the money, if it works out and the money start rolling in, then what I'm gonna do is buy a sliding gate, like those places, so I can keep all my cars parked behind, and I can have then I can be watching people on camera, then I can just here's the code, code to get inside the gate, and they can get the car that they're interested in, and then boom, it's easier than having to like come in here and open the gate, you know. So eventually, but we're gonna first start off with the 1 car, and then we're gonna try to go 1, then we go 1 to 2, and 2 to 3, then 3 hits to like 5, 5 hits to 10, 10 hits to 15, 15 hits to 20, and we just keep going on from there. But first you got to start off with number 1. So we're gonna start off with 1 and go from there. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, like this video, make sure you drop your comment. I'm out.